Welcome back, students. Now we are going to discuss the sums given in Scratch Your Brain. In Scratch Your Brain, we are given the first question, fill in the missing time. Children, whenever you are given to find or fill the missing number or missing time, or any series is given, you have to find any of the missing space given in it, then what you have to do? First of all, you have to check out whether the given series is in increasing order or it is given in decreasing order. If the series is given in increasing order, then first of all you have to find the common difference between each two terms, consecutive terms in the given series. After finding the common difference, if the series is an increasing order, you have to keep on adding that difference to get the next term in the series. And if the pattern or the series is given in decreasing order, you have to keep on subtracting the common difference. Okay, in this way you can get or find the missing digit or missing number or missing time as it is given here. So now let us solve the first sum given in this. Fill in the missing time and find out how to find the missing time given over here. Here in our question, the series is in this way. That is, the first term in it is 6 hours 5 minutes. Second term is 6 hours 50 minutes. Third term is missing. Fourth term is 8 hours 20 minutes. And the fifth term is 9 hours 5 minutes. Now, as I said, first of all, we have to check whether our given series is in increasing order or decreasing order. Now you see the time. Here we have 6:05, then 6:50, then 8:20 here and 9:05. So obviously it is in increasing order. This means whatever the common difference you will get, difference of the pattern you will get, you have to add to get its next term. So as the third term is missing, if I will add the difference to the second term, I will get the third term. So first of all, let us find the difference of this series. How will we find the common difference of this series? We can find the difference of this series by taking any two consecutive terms given in the series and by subtracting them. So from the second term, I will subtract the first term. Here I have in the second term 6 hours 50 minutes minus 6 hours 5 minutes. Then what you will get? 0 minus 5 I cannot do. I will borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 4 and I got a 45 minutes, and 6 minus 0. 6 is 0. Now the difference I got here 45. This means as my series is in increasing order, if I will add a 45 minutes to 6 hours 50 minutes, then what it will happen? I will get the third term. So let us add and find the third term. Let us take 6 hours 50 minutes. Okay, this is hours and this is minutes, and add how much? The difference of the series is 45 minutes. Add 45 minutes. Now find the total. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9, and we got 6 hours 95 minutes. Now children, just recall what we have learnt in addition of time. If our minutes place, the number in the minutes place, it is equal to 60 or more than 60, then what we have to do? We have to subtract the 60 and send it as a carry to the hours part, because 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. Now let us subtract here. As here in the minutes part we have more than 60, we can subtract 160 and we will send it as a carry to the hours part. So I will add it in the hours, but first of all let us subtract. 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 plus 1 is 7. So what is my missing time, children? My missing time of this series, given series, is 7 hours 35 minutes. This means in the place of the missing time, I will write 7 hours 35 minutes. Now in order to get confirmed that whether the difference between every time in this series is 45 minutes or not, even you can check. Let us subtract these two and check whether the difference is 45 minutes or not. Take 8 hours 20 minutes minus 7 hours 35 minutes. Here you see 20 minus 35 we cannot do. So we will borrow. If we will borrow, we can give 1 minute to you. It is 1 hour to you, and it is in minutes. Now from here if I will borrow 1 hour, then 1 hour is equivalent to 60. 60 plus this 20 minutes. Overall you will get how much? 80 minutes. Now 80 minus 35. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. And here we are remained with 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. So children, we got 45 minutes difference again. This means throughout this series, the difference is 45 minutes. So if I will add another 45 minutes to 7 hours 35 minutes, definitely I will get 8 hours 20 minutes. So let us solve one more sum. The second sum is B, that is 12 hours 30 minutes. Then one missing time is there. Then we next to it, third term we have 1 hour 40 minutes. Fourth term we have 2 hours 15 minutes. Then we have 2 hours 50 minutes. Clear? Now just observe the pattern. 12:30, then a missing number, then 140, 240, 250. Now if you will observe this, definitely you will think earlier we have 12:30, then 1, 2, 3. You may be getting confused, more, then little bit less, and again increasing order. So always remember what type of pattern you are discussing. It is not the simple pattern of numbers. It is the pattern of time. It is a series of time given to you, where you should always remember, two different types of time, that is 24-hour time and 12-hour time. Now, if you will observe this series carefully, this series is given in 12-hour time. Just have a look here. Here we have 12:30, then some time is missing, then we have 140, 215, 250. So, in 12-hour time, after 12 noon, then what happens? Then 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., the second phase of the day starts, isn't it? So similarly here also it is in the 12-hour time pattern, where after 12:30 we have some time, and then the rest of the time is there in 1, 2 and so on. Now what we have to do? We have to find the difference. This means one thing is confirmed, that this time is in increasing order, isn't it? After 12 noon, the day keep on going, the time keep on increasing. So this is in increasing order only. Now the time is to find the difference of the series. How will you find? Take any two consecutive terms of this series and then you find the difference. Let us take these two. 215 minus 140. Now you see, from 15 we cannot subtract 40. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. If you will borrow, this hours can give you 1 hour. Then I will convert that 1 hour into 60 minutes. Now 60 plus already I have a 15 minutes. This is equal to how much? 75 minutes. Now from 75 you subtract 40. You will get 35. And here 1 is remained, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what did we get? We got the difference of the series 35 minutes. Now, so in order to get the missing time, what I have to do? I have to add 35 to the previous term of the missing time. So here in the previous time of the missing time is 12:30. So for 12 hours 30 minutes, I have to add the difference of the series, that is 35 minutes. Yes. Now let us add 5, 6, 12. Now children, again we got the same thing. Here in our minutes place we are having more than 65. So now as we have got, sorry, we have more than 60. So from here I can subtract a 60. Now 5, 6 minus 6 is 0, and as it is subtracted 1 here, so we will send 1 as carry to this part, and we get 12 plus 1, 13. This means it is 13 hours and 5 minutes. Children, now our time is in 13 hours 5 minutes. What is 13 hours 5 minutes equal to? It is equal to 1:05 p.m. Isn't it? So here we will write 1:05. So the missing time in this series is 1:05. Understood, children? Students, now let us discuss the second question of Scratch Your Brain. In the second question, we are given Selena and Frederick, they had a movie marathon. Movie marathon means it's a race of watching movie. Okay. Now, they started watching movie at 10:30 and they continued their race or the movie marathon for 8 hours 20 minutes. Now, the question is, at what time did the marathon came to an end? So what we have to do for this, in order to understand this, I would like to give you a very simple example. Suppose you went to play at 4 p.m. and you played there for 2 hours. Tell me, at what time did you come back? What will you do? Simply, you went at 4 p.m. and you played for 2 hours. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. So you came back, or your playing came to an end at 6 p.m. Isn't it? Similarly, here we are given the starting time of the movie marathon, and for how long the movie marathon continued is given, and at what time the movie marathon came to an end. Now we have to find. For this, what we have to do? Simply, we will add the starting time or the initial time and the duration of the marathon. Okay? By adding these two, we can get the time at which the movie marathon came to an end. So, what is the initial time? The initial time is 10 hours 30 minutes. And what is the time duration? It was 8 hours 20 minutes. Now by adding them both, we will get the time at which the movie marathon came to an end. Now add them. Here we will get 50 and 10 plus 8 is 18. This means the movie marathon came to an end at the time of 1850 hours. So children, with this we have completed the Scratch Your Brain, and you will get a question pattern of for revision, and you solve them. If you have any doubts in those revision, as well as if you have any doubts in the 2 questions given you as homework from the fill in the missing time, you try them. If you don't able to do them, we will discuss in the Google Meet class. Thank you. Have a nice day.